mean, a lot of times, and I'm not saying this to be kissing y'all's ass, but a lot of times y'all go unsung, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You guys do a hell of a job, because without CPD, there'd be chaos right here in the city of Columbus.
Another 16 at the UDF 530 South Hague. State male is back on the scene, refusing to leave, threatening them. Says CPD's already been out twice. Male black wearing dark jacket, black pants.
Yeah, one coming.
One item, literally stopped at the light there. You can have me that run.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, did they trespass him earlier, or?
No, because he left before they got here.
Okay.
It took them a half hour to get here earlier when they came.
Okay.
They said they knew who the guy was and they were gonna, you know, do whatever, but
I'll go talk to him.
so he's this is the second time today he's been in here threatening us. And
Okay, well let me get down there before it goes too far.
no problem. Thank you.
Yep. $190. He walked away about 30 seconds before I got here. I'm supposed to be behind the Family Dollar across the street. I'm gonna try to find him.
I copy.
Hey brother, hang out for a second.
Oh, come on, man.
I just want to talk to you. You'll be all right. Well,
Man,
I don't think my walkie's working. What's going on?
I went in there to get some coffee, right?
Yeah.
So this guy want to play word games. I said, do you sell coffee? No. I said, do you serve coffee? No, we sell coffee. I said, man, come on, man, that's semantics. Like, stop playing. I said, I do have a command of the English language. He said, you can go. Now, I was in there a couple of days ago. I'm not messing with that dude. You know what I mean? But he wants to, and the lady, she was a witness to that. She said, now come on. She even said something. He said, well, I sat down. I was cold, man.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I said, man, you know, he said, well, you can go. I said, all right.
$190. I'm
You know,
talking
I said,
to the guy who
man,
created the cars.
I said, you know what? I've served you, man, before you served me. I said, man, this is a discourtesy, man. I said, courtesy is the foundation of respect. If I don't have courtesy for you, then there's no way for you to respect me. If I have enough courtesy for you, then I've earned your respect. I said, man, there's people like you that's fucking this country up, man. I've served you before you served me. You don't even know who I am, man. What am I? I'm just the average nigga to you.
Have you ever had problems there before today?
Not really.
You go in there a lot?
No.
No.
Not really. But what I'm saying is this. If he wants me to stay away, and UDF wants me to stay away from UDF, UDF's not the only person to serve coffee. UDF is just the closest person, the closest
To where you stay?
store to Burgess.
Oh, is that where you live? You live on down Burgess?
Yeah, man,
Okay.
but, you know, and listen, he was like, well, I feel threatened. I said, man, I'm not threatening you. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I told him. I said, I've served you before you served me. You playing word games and want to play word games, trying to frustrate me. I do have a command of the English language, but it's semantics.
So you
I'm
guys
not
just had
you
a
know
very
what I mean?
tame argument is what you're saying.
And I'm like, man, fuck you.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? That's what I told him. I said, man, fuck you, man.
Why'd you go back afterwards then? You thought it kind of blew over?
No, actually, I just thought it was another shift. Because I came in last night, and then I come in this morning. I actually had got into it with my girlfriend, and so to avoid the BS, you know what I mean? I said, okay, I'm gonna walk down here. I sat down for a minute. I was toasty. To tell you the truth, I got toasty. So I'm like, okay, I'm toasty. And I went out. So when he woke me up, and he was like, hey, you gotta go. I said, well, I did ask him for coffee. And I asked him, do they sell coffee? Come on, you sell coffee. Let me buy coffee.
Yeah.
I'm not in there stealing.
And that was the first time that you went, right? Or was that the second time?
No, this is just that time.
Okay.
I'm not in there stealing. I'm not in there harassing these women. I'm not in there messing over the children. I'm not in there fucking over the elders.
Well,
come on, man. And I'm like,
it was just that you had a problem with them the first time, and you went back, and they saw you, and they thought you were coming back to cause problems.
I just thought that actually it was a different shift.
Yeah.
Actually.
No, I understand that. I probably would have done the same thing.
Listen, and I apologize. You know what I mean? I apologize for that, man. Listen, I'm not gonna go in there. I'm not messing with my man. I'm not gonna harass my man. If y'all tell me never go back, I'll never go back.
Okay.
I'm dead serious.
Well, because then you just go to the BP instead, right? Do they have coffee at the BP?
What is it?
Do they have coffee at the BP? You can probably go in there and get some coffee.
I ain't been that far, man.
Well, you'll be able to get it. Hey, I appreciate you stopping to talk to me. What was your name, bud?
My name is Sean. S-E-A-N.
S-E-A-N. What's your last name? What's your birthday?
I can show you. I can actually knock on the door, man.
It's not a huge deal. I'm going to let you go. They just,
Yeah, man. And I've never had a felony in my life. I'm telling you, man. I've never had a felony.
No, you're fine.
I've never had a felony in my life. Actually, I can't lie. I've got the Barker boys. I had an open container. I was pissing in it. My daughter was in the bathroom. I was pissing, and I heard, well, when you get done, you can put that little motherfucker out. So I turned around, what the hell? And so it was like, man, we had a rapport or whatever, and I've seen that officer since then, but man, I'm not out here hurting nobody, man. I ain't out here jumping on nobody, man.
Nope.
Listen, you got some heinous motherfuckers out here, man.
Yeah, there are.
You know what I mean?
It's a shitty place.
We need guys like y'all.
Appreciate that.
Mean? And a lot of times, and I'm not saying this to be kissing y'all's ass, but a lot of times y'all go unsung, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
you guys do a hell of a job, because without CPD, there'd be chaos right here in the city of Columbus.
Well,
there'd be anarchy right here in the city of Columbus.
Seeing a little bit of that now.
Man. Somebody killed my dog. I had my dog for 13 years, man. Somebody killed my fucking dog, man.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Who kills a dog?
People are nasty out here, man. People are horrible out here. You'll be right.
She didn't mess with nobody.
Yeah.
Just moved up here, man. I took my dog to the vet, and they threatened to call CPD on me.
Well, the nice thing is we don't handle dogs, so you wouldn't have anything to worry about if they did.
For poison, man. Why would I poison my own dog? And then they wouldn't release my dog to me. They would not release my dog back to me, man. I couldn't even bear her.
When did that happen?
What the hell does that, man?
When did that happen, Sean? A couple months ago? Weeks ago?
No, last week.
Oh, wow. Well, I'm sorry you're going through a bad time, man. Are you going to be able to get in your house with your old lady? Is she going to let you back in this morning?
Yeah, probably so.
Okay. Are you still going to go out and get yourself a cup of coffee?
Yeah, I am.
You going to go to the BP and do it?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. I'm sorry you're out having a bad time today, Sean. Just be cognizant of sometimes when you get excited, some people might see that as threatening. Okay? Is there anything I can do for you today? Are you sure?
Nah, you guys done enough, man. I appreciate it.
I appreciate your respect. I really do. It means a lot to me. if you ever need anything, don't be afraid to call us, let us know, or flag us down and say hi, okay?
I definitely will.
All right, man. You take care of yourself. Yeah, just stay away from the UDF for a little while, okay?
I'll probably stay away from UDF forever.
Yeah, that's your choice, but just give him a little break, okay? Thank you.
What's up, buddy?